Hello everyone and good afternoon. I wanted to take some time to show you the garden that we planted this year for 2021. So we had a really small raised garden bed last year. That video I will pop up in the corner. You can see it if you would like to see how we did that. This year we've actually went all out and planted a full garden. So we have tomatoes, bell peppers, jalapenos, all sorts of other peppers, along with zucchini, squash, some corn, some pole beans, and a couple other different plants. I'm going to take you through the garden, show you what we've planted, show you the progress of it so far. Also let you know how we're watering it, the best time of day to water in my opinion, and show you what each plant has so far. We haven't harvest anything off these plants, of course, because it's not time, but they're doing really good because we planted them around the second or third week in May, and they already have blooms on them. They're already doing really great. We planted most of them from plants. We did plant the corn from seed as well as the pole beans from seed. Here is one of our little tomato plants. You can see it's ready to start producing tomatoes. That is so exciting. I love tomatoes. We have a little jalapeno plant right here. Look at all those peppers. Oh, I'm so excited. They're gonna make really, really good jalapeno poppers once they come in fully. Here's some more on this little plant. So here is the row of corn that we planted by seed. You can see it's coming up really good. This is pole beans beside it. They're coming up really good as well. I believe those were also planted from seeds. And then if we step over here, I have squash right here. There's another one right here. You can see the little squash. It's so exciting. They're gonna be really good sauteed up. There's more on this plant. Little squash all in there. And then we have some zucchini that's coming up. They have little buds on them, I think is what it's called. But I cannot wait to see everything that this garden produces. It's gonna be really nice to have all of these vegetables. Also wanted to show you how we're watering the garden. So we just have this sprinkler in. It's really good to water it in the afternoon, like after the sun goes down is the best time to water it so you don't kill the plants. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has helped you if you're on an adventure planting a garden like we are this year. This is only our second time planting a garden, so I still have a lot to learn, I know, but it's a lot of fun.